Good morning, everyone. It's been 3 or 4 special days of all of us being in Ahmedabad. We've been holding the trials for the World Cup, and it's been a fantastic event. Last 2 days that we've seen scintillating action in the pickleball world here right now. The men's event has been fantastic. We've seen so many of the top men's players coming in and playing. The quality of the event was just superb. Each and every match was so close, and the sort of quality of players that I've been seeing in the last months has been considerably changing. The level of play has been going up significantly. The same has been in the women's championship as well, and we've had some very close matches, and Aman Patel yesterday won the men's championship after having played 6 or 7 matches, and 6 or 7 very tight, heavily contested matches. And we've had players from Delhi, we've had players from Chennai, we've had players from Gujarat, Maharashtra, from all over the place come down and try their hand at the Open right now.
And could you please also explain about the PWR ranking, how it will come in?
So PWR ranking is the one that's the ranking system that's going to basically make sure that how each and every tournament that's being played all over the country, how it's incorporated in the system. It's like how the ATP runs their events. So you can be playing a tournament anywhere in the world, but then you have one cohesive ranking system. The same way PWR is the cohesive ranking system for India. So you can be playing a tournament in Trivandrum, you can be playing a tournament in Jammu Kashmir, you can be playing a tournament in Assam, you can be playing a tournament in Gujarat. You will be getting points for playing that tournament, and that is going to be counted as your national ranking points. So basically it's going to be so you can be playing a tournament anywhere in the country, and you're going to be ranked on nationally for it. So it's the most cohesive and the most robust system that we guys are that the Indian Pickleball Association along with PWR is putting in.
And what's the plan leading up to the World Cup? Like team is selected, is going to be finalized?
The trials are still going on right now. So we've got the men's done yesterday. We've got the women's team done yesterday. We've got the men's doubles and the women's doubles teams done. There were fantastic matches, as I mentioned. The level of play has been going up significantly. Like, I've been seeing the sport for the last 3 or 4 years now, transition, and we're seeing more and more tennis players and very high skilled tennis players who are coming in and playing pickleball now. And I won't say it's of course both the games look similar, and tennis players do definitely have a natural advantage of playing the sport, but the level of skill is definitely improved significantly, and India is going to have a really good chance at the World Cup for sure.
This was to be done as an introduction. Could you please introduce yourself and your role? This will be it.
So basically, my name is Ashish Khanna. I've been associated with pickleball for a long time now. I've been associated with sports for a very long time. I myself used to be a national level tennis player. I still play for the Indian team tennis at the world stage. With pickleball, I've been involved in getting the entire system together, which is the PWR and the ranking systems. So that is what my role has been, and we see a huge potential in India and all over the world. Pickleball is probably the fastest growing sport in the world, and I can safely say it's the fastest growing sport in India. The number of courts that have sprouted out in India is fantastic, has been phenomenal, and we see a great future for pickleball all over the world.
Can you talk us through the talent pool that is growing in India?
So right now we're still at a nascent stage, but I certainly feel that in the next few years, as the sport matures, we'll have thousands and thousands of kids playing. More and more kids every day are joining pickleball. I've seen in the last 1.5 to 2 years, the number of kids has also exponentially grown. More and more academies are sprouting out. So we're going to see a huge talent pool and many medals to come for India, especially in the junior categories in the future, and men's and women's are going to get stronger and stronger. So pick up your pickleball paddles and start playing ASAP.